Now I need to use the conditions given to write an equation in the point slope form. So first thing I'm going to notice is that I'm given that it passes through the point -2, 5, which means I already have the point part of the point slope form. But what I need to do is I need to be able to find the slope. So in order to find the slope, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the other information given to me, which is that the line is perpendicular to the line whose equation is 9x minus 6 equals 0. So let's first start by finding out the slope of the line given. So the slope of the line given, which is 9x minus y plus 6 equals 0. Now a quick refresher here. If you have a line that looks like this, ax plus by plus c equals 0, then the slope of the line is given by negative a over b. Let me put that in a box. So in this case, it means that the slope of the line is given by negative a, so that's negative 9, over b, which is negative 1, so that's positive 9. But that's not the slope that we want. The line that we have is perpendicular to the given line. So here's a quick note. When two lines are perpendicular, their slopes are related. And the way that their slopes are related is that the slopes of the two lines are negative reciprocals of each other. This is great because it tells us the slope of the line that we want. So the slope of the line that we want is just going to be the slope of the line given, that's 9. So take the reciprocal, so that's 1 over 9, but then take the negative reciprocal. So the negative reciprocal of the given line, which is negative 1 over 9, is the slope of the line that you want. And now we can write the equation in the slope point form by using the formula y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now in this case, the slope m is negative 1 over 9, and the x1, y1, which is the point, is negative 2, 5, which was given in the question. So I can write down the equation in point slope form, which is y minus 5 equals negative 1 over 9 times x minus negative 2. So that's y minus 5 equals negative 1 over 9 times x. Negative negative makes a positive 2. And this is the equation that I'm looking for in the point slope form. Now, the next equation that I need to write is I also need to be able to write the equation in the slope intercept form. Now this equation should look like this: y equals m times x plus b, m being the slope and b being the y-intercept. In order to do this, all I need to do is I need to solve the equation that I already have for y. So let's rewrite that equation first. I have y minus 5 equals negative 1 over 9 times x plus 2. Now to solve for y, all I need to do is take this 5 over to the other side by adding 5 to both the sides of the equation and then simplify. So 5 cancels from the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have y equals negative 1 over 9 times x plus 2 plus 5. Okay, so now I need to distribute the negative 1 over 9 to both of these terms. So I have y equals negative 1 over 9 times x plus, well, negative 1 over 9 times 2 is negative 2 over 9 plus 5. Last thing I need to do is simplify these two terms. So I'm going to rewrite 5 with the LCD. So y equals negative 1 over 9x, and then negative 2 over 9, and 5 is 45 over 9, because 5 times 9 is 45. Now I can add these two terms. So I have y equals negative 1 over 9x, and negative 2 plus 45 is plus 43 over 9. And so this is the equation that I was looking for in the slope-intercept form. You can see that it looks like y equals m times x plus b.